Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Julio and Willie. Today we are taking you on an amazing journey to Benidorm. We flew into Alicante from Santiago de Compostela and took a bus to the stunning coastal city of Benidorm. Let's get started. The bus ride was comfortable and the views were absolutely breathtaking. Once we arrived in Benidorm, we hopped into an Uber and headed straight to our Airbnb. After settling in, we couldn't wait to explore the city, so we headed straight to La Cala Beach.
Okay, well, as we promised, we're going to El Poniente Beach. We're walking towards. This is a beautiful lime tree avenue, and we love it because it has so many benches that we can sit as we walk along.
Here we are at El Poniente Beach in Benidorm, Spain. Look at this panorama. It's so beautiful. I never imagined that this was this breathtaking. One of the most iconic buildings we saw was the Intempo, with its renowned M shape standing at 47 floors and 220 meters high. It's truly a sight to behold. We were also lucky enough to catch El Viaje de la Vida, an amazing exhibition featuring 6 large format sculptures in marble and bronze. These works will be here until March 2025, so don't miss it. Poniente Beach is one of the best spots in Benidorm. The promenade here has become an architectural reference point. Its designers created using an attractive curvilinear structure with a marked awareness of the surrounding area. Its form invokes the sea waves and is well worth a visit. We admire The Two Swans by Taiwanese artist Han Ji, such a beautiful piece of art adding to the charm of this place. We climbed the stairs to visit the balcony to the Mediterranean, a stunning viewpoint. We also saw the monument dedicated to those lost at sea. It's a place filled with history and breathtaking views.
At the balcony to the Mediterranean. Today we are sailing from Benidorm. We took this boat ride, and it's a little choppy though, it moves a lot. However, the weather is beautiful. You can see the sun is shining and the temperature is nice.
We took an excursion on a glass-bottom boat. It was an incredible experience, though a bit claustrophobic. Seeing the marine life from below was fascinating.
We are at El Poniente Beach in Benidorm, and we stopped to eat something. We're having some calamares a la andaluza. We were very hungry, so we ate half of it already.
After all that exploring, we had a delicious meal at El Poniente Beach. The food was amazing, and it was the perfect way to end our day. Benidorm has been an unforgettable adventure. From its iconic buildings to its beautiful beaches, there is so much to see and do here. Thanks for joining us on this journey.